हम आपके लिए अच्छी अच्छी वीडियो बना रहे हैं, इसलिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। शुक्रिया।
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sarah and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to say Ramadan Mubarak to all my Muslim brothers and sisters. Even though Ramadan is almost over, I still wanted to say it as it's my first video that I am making in Ramadan. I also want to say I hope you're all doing well and staying safe during these times that we're in. So yeah, now that I've said that, let's get on. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a little something that I bought from eBay. You may have seen this item that I'm going to be showing you floating around YouTube for quite a while, maybe a few years back, videos or a year back. Not my video because it's my first time unboxing this item, but you've probably seen other people unbox this like a year ago or something, but I am very late on the bandwagon of this item, but yeah, it's better late than never, right? So yeah, this item is the most amazing thing ever. It only cost me £8 from eBay, brand new, and it's the most beautiful thing you will ever see. So yeah, if you want to see it, please continue watching, and also if you're new here, please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and sit back, relax and enjoy my little video. So here is the package. It did come today and I have covered my address, obviously for obvious reasons. So yeah, just gonna open it up now. So this bag that I am going to be showing you is a dupe of the Hermes Kelly transparent bag, which I'll have a picture of it right now. And as you can tell, the Hermes bag is obviously very expensive. Now the one that in the picture is pre-owned, but I'm not really sure how much a new one will be. Obviously it'll be 10 times expensive than that, but yeah. Now this one that I got from eBay is £8 with posting and packaging included in the price. The bag is absolutely gorgeous. It has French writing, which basically means a souvenir from the exhibition of 1998, a trip to Wonderland. Has golden detail on the bag. It's a really nice shade of gold. It was a little stiff to open it. I don't know, maybe it's because it's a brand new bag. It hasn't been opened before, maybe that's why. Or maybe I'm just not used to it at the moment. But as you can see, it has a lot of room inside. And here's the strap that it comes with too. It's a really good quality strap as well. I'm just getting the styrofoam out. There we go. And yeah, you can see the bag. It's very durable, it's very nice. I love the quality of the bag and I'm really surprised for £8. It's really amazing. It's obviously not going to be as amazing as the Hermes bag, but it's a really good dupe. So yeah, I'm happy with it. Here's the strap. To attach the strap, you just attach it like you would do with any other bag, just along the golden little hook thingies. So yeah, just attaching the strap right now. There we are. Now the strap is pretty long, so you can wear it as a crossbody bag. I, however, won't wear it as a crossbody bag. I would just wear it as a normal sort of handbag type, obviously with the long strap. Or you can just carry it with the short handle as well. Show you how many things I can fit inside this bag. So I'm going to start off with my phone, Techno Pova 4. As you can see, it doesn't take a lot of room. Then I have my wallet. Also the wallet is very small as well, so it doesn't take that much room either. Then I have my power bank. And then I have my AirPods 12, the awesome AirPods dupes. So yeah, they're going in. Then I have my phone charger plug. And then I'll have my charger wires as well. And I'll also have a pack of gum, but obviously at the moment it's Ramadan, so I won't be chewing any at the moment, but I'll just put that in. So these are really my essentials that I would put in my bag. Now I'm going to close it up. And once I was closing, the little lock thing is a little bit stiff. Maybe it's because it's new, that's why, and I'm not used to it at the moment, but it was a little bit stiff, I'm not sure why. So yeah, that's everything that I can fit inside the bag. And when I do turn it around, you can see there is still quite a bit of room where I can put a little bit more stuff. But yeah, these are just my essentials that I would put in the bag. So as you can see, that is everything in the bag. I really love this bag. I will have it linked down below if you want to buy it. So please go and check it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!